right, I just received these vacuum bags for review, and today I'm coming on here to show you guys how it works. Today's project, we're going to be vacuum sealing this blanket. Since these vacuum bags are pretty decent in size, pretty big, we are going to try it out with this. So let's see. So first of all, it does come with an instruction manual and also kind of like a guidance sheet. And then here are all the vacuum bags. We've got all the different sizes on here, and then it's all labeled what size is in what bag and how many of them are there. Here is the actual device that's in a bag, so you can easily take it places or you can easily store it. It does come with a charging cable as well. And then this is the device. So basically all you're gonna do is put this on the seal of the vacuum bag and then press this button, and then it will kind of like suck all the air out. So let's try it out. Also, it does come with these squeeze clips. I'm not completely sure on how to use these. All right, so here is one of the bags. This is the seal. And then we're going to put this blanket in here. All right, so I somehow squeezed that in there. And then now I'm going to make sure that I close this properly to make sure no air is going to be able to escape at all. All right, we're hoping that's all good. Now I have to take this cap off, and then we're going to put this device on here and then turn this button on. And show you guys what happened. I think it did a pretty decent job at getting all the air out. I did have to squish it a little bit just so it kind of got flat, but look at how small this blanket is compared to when we actually started with it. I mean, this is amazing. So yeah, this is perfect to store. Say you're going into a new season, you're going into summer, and you want to vacuum store all your winter items. Perfect for storage because you can store it in a smaller space. Your clothes are not gonna get messed up. Yeah, it's just a great thing to have in your house to use for that or other things as well. But yeah, I definitely recommend this, and you should for sure go get yours.